So guys, if you're facing any difficulty in the Forza Horizon 6 while winning the races, I'll give you this neat trick which you can use. So basically you just go to the event and you enter the event, go to solo. So you just get to know the which particular class of the cars you are required to be using. So this particular race is for S2 class. Okay. So if you're not winning from your default car, what you have to do is I'll show you now. So you have to come to the nearest festival site or your particular house. Then you have to go to my cars. You have to select the car. You have to, so and in that one we had maybe I'll just do Ruelto. I guess this is a better car. So just go get in the car. Now Ruelto is selected. What you have to do is go to upgrades and tuning. Then you'll have to find tuning setups. This is some options which are preloaded tuning which have been done by certain players. And basically what you have to look is for the popularity of the tune. So basically since that race was for S2 class, so for in the S2 I have this as the best, one of the best popularity tune. So I'll just select one of these which is better, I guess. So I guess this one is better, so it gives me a better acceleration. So you just select that, download and install. So this is after the tune. We are back at the Touge battle. So we'll select our Ruelto here. So I'll show you the difference in the racing. So as you guys would know, tuning is not that easy. It is a very, professional task. So Forza has made that process easier, basically. And let's just race and we'll see the difference. And this person would be like blown away by my car instantly. So you can see just at the startup, we are at the lead. Now we are leading the race. Alright, I'm playing this game on easy setup. I'm not a pro racing gamer, so I usually play this for fun. And yes, you will have to use a lot of rewinds if you are playing this. So the opponent is nowhere to be seen. You can see the difference this tune-ups are making in my racing. You can see the cars are much faster and it helps us basically win the race. By the default tune you cannot do this competitive racing basically. So I would suggest that you guys use this trick and win the races in the festival playlist and any other race you're finding difficult, So we're going to conclude this race. Finished at the first position. Let's see the time difference which the opponent and we have secured.
You gave me a great challenge. Congrats on the win.
Yes, not completed yet. So yes, so that is the difference, 146, 157. So basically I hope this helps you guys, and I've won a lot of races by using this trick, and I hope you guys also win some. I hope you like this video guys. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.